How can I perform a waterproof test for my phone?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an incredibly important topic that has piqued the interest of many: how to perform a waterproof test on your phone. Waterproofing is a crucial feature of modern smartphones, and it's essential to know if your phone can withstand those accidental spills or the sudden rain shower.
Why is waterproof testing important?
In our daily lives, our phones are exposed to various elements, and water is a common one. Whether it's in the form of rain, a spilt drink, or even humidity, your phone's resistance to water can greatly influence its lifespan and functionality. By performing a waterproof test, you'll know if your phone is up to the task or if you need to be extra cautious around water. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it could save your phone.
What do you need for the test?
Conducting a waterproof test doesn't require a lab or complex equipment. For our method, you'll need 1. Your phone, obviously. 2. A transparent container or bowl deep enough to fully submerge your phone. 3. Water. 4. A soft, dry cloth. It's important to note that this test is relatively low risk, but it isn't risk-free. Ensure your device's manufacturer claims it is waterproof or water-resistant before proceeding.
How to conduct the waterproof test?
Now that we've got our tools, it's time for the main event. Here's how you can conduct a waterproof test. 1. Power off your phone. This step is crucial as it can prevent any electrical shorts if water does find its way in. 2. Fully submerge your phone in a container of water. Ensure the phone is completely underwater. 3. Wait for around 30 minutes. This duration is enough for most phones rated for water resistance. If your phone is supposed to be waterproof, you could leave it in for longer. 4. Remove the phone and dry it thoroughly. Use the soft cloth to dry your phone, paying particular attention to the charging ports, headphone jacks, and any crevices where water might be trapped. 5. Power on your phone and check functionality. Turn on your phone and check if all features work correctly. This is a simple and straightforward test, but it's effective for most phones. Remember, the test is not completely without risk. If you're unsure about your phone's waterproof rating, it's best to consult with the manufacturer or avoid the test altogether. That wraps up our guide on how to perform a waterproof test for your phone. This simple test can help you understand your phone's capabilities better and potentially save it from damage. Remember, always handle electronics with care and only perform this test if you're sure about your phone's water resistance. Stay tuned for more exciting tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.